Hello everyone, I'm your host Akansha Mishra and you are watching TNV Academy. Today almost every company depends on IT services, whether it is emails, software systems, online platforms or customer support. If IT services fail, the business suffers. That is why there is an international standard called ISO/IEC 20001:2018, which helps organizations manage their IT services in a systematic and reliable way. This training program will help you become a lead auditor for this standard. That means you will be trained to check whether an organization is delivering IT services properly, following the standard and improving its system over time. What is ISO/IEC 20001:2018? ISO/IEC 20001:2018 is a global standard for IT service management systems. It provides a clear set of requirements that an organization must follow to ensure their IT services are planned, delivered, and improved effectively. It covers things like managing customer requests and issues, that is, incidents, keeping services running smoothly, controlling changes in the system, working with vendors and suppliers, meeting service level agreements. As an auditor, you will need to check if these areas are working well. What does a lead auditor do? A lead auditor is someone who not only performs audit but also leads the audit team, plans the audit and ensures everything is done correctly. You will be responsible for preparing the audit plan, talking to the right people in the organization, asking questions and collecting evidence, writing clear reports, helping organizations understand what they are doing well and what needs to improve. You must be professional, honest, objective and respectful during the entire process. Structure of the standard. The standard is divided into 10 sections, that is clauses. Some of the key areas include understanding the organization and its services, leadership and planning for service management, support processes like documentation and communication, operations, how services are delivered and monitored, continual improvement, how the organization learns and gets better. In this training, you will learn how to review all these areas and see if the organization meets the standard. How to plan an audit. Planning is the first step of a successful audit. You must define what services or departments will be audited, what the objectives of the audit are, what documents you need to review, who you will interview. You will create a checklist based on the standard. This checklist will guide you during the audit. A well-planned audit saves time and avoids confusion. Conducting the audit. Once planning is done, it is time to do the audit. You will begin with an opening meeting, then go out to gather information. This involves observing how services are managed, interviewing IT staff, service desk agents, and managers, reviewing records like service logs, change requests, and customer feedback. You will use all of this to decide whether the organization is following the standard or not. Writing the audit report. After completing the audit, you need to write a report. This report must clearly explain what was checked, list any problems or non-conformities, suggest improvements or corrective actions. Use simple professional language. Be supported with real evidence. You will end the audit with a closing meeting where you present your findings to management. Remember, the goal is not to blame but to help the organization improve. What you will learn and gain. By the end of this program, you will be able to understand ISO/IEC 20001 in simple terms, plan and conduct professional IT service audits, write clear and useful audit reports, help organizations improve their IT services, become a confident and capable lead auditor. You will also receive tools like audit checklist templates, reporting formats, sample documents, a certificate of completion. Being a lead auditor means more than just checking systems. It means helping companies provide better, more reliable IT services. Your work will improve customer satisfaction, reduce downtime, and make sure IT teams are following best practices. This training gives you the knowledge and skills to become a leader in IT service audits. Whether you audit internally or for certification, you now have what it takes to do it well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.